seed coal ball pressing machine is the main briquette pressing equipment. Coal powder in the circulation field, basically rarely seen. With the development of economy and environmental protection, the technology of seed coal, with energy saving, low investment and high benefit, will be promoted vigorously. The forming pressure of seed coal ball press is the main factor affecting the ball hardness. It is a kind of rotary press roll with hemispherical groove. The loose powder is pressed into a ball. The seed coal ball pressing machine is mainly used to press various powder, such as coal powder, iron powder, coking coal, iron filings, oxide iron sheet and other powder, through the seed coal ball pressing machine, processing and forming, energy saving, convenient transportation.